Welcome back. You may notice that we are inside of one of our buckets, and what we're going to do is we're going to work to track the activity inside of the bucket. And we can do that by going to the Properties tab, and we can enable server access logging, and this will tell us how the bucket is being accessed. Now there is no additional charge for server access logging, so all we'll need to do is to click this enable logging, and we choose our bucket and then click save. Now if we want to monitor from the billing side, what we'll need to do is we'll need to go into our services and we'll need to click on the billing link. What we can then do is go into our preferences, and what we can do is we can turn on our billing alerts. When we do this, we can click manage billing alerts, and what we can do is we can create an alarm that will tell us when our bill for Amazon services is going over a certain amount. We can set that service by Amazon S3, and then we're going to click next. We're now going to give the alarm a name and then a description. And we can say when the estimated charges are going to go over $25, we want to have an alarm sent to us. Now what we'll need to do is we'll need to make sure that the list is going to be sent someplace. So we'll need to click New List. We'll need to place an email address inside of this list. We need to give this notification a name. Once we've done that, we'll then click Create Alarm. Now, if your email address is new, you'll need to confirm the email address, but we have now set up an alarm in order to track what's happening in our account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.